Did you know that Confluence templates cannot be controlled? In other words, Confluence admins can change the global templates with no traces of the changes made. In this video, we will show you how you can create a controlled template using Confluence and the SoftComply Document Manager app. The documents in the Document Manager are organized into a folder structure. From the start, you will have QMS and general folders created for you, and you can add more folders yourself. These folders are Confluence pages. You can also see these pages in the draft space. Each page in this space will be managed by SoftComply Document Manager and marked as a controlled document. Let's start creating the first document template for your future SOPs. During the creation, you will need to define the document title, document type, and apply the version number for the document. You can start the versioning from 1 or any higher number if you have earlier existing versions. You will be added as the document owner by default. Once the document is created, you will see it in the folder structure. Click on the document title, and you will see additional details of the document, and you can start working on the document content with your team in Confluence. We have now created the Confluence page into the draft space. The page itself will need more content to serve us in the future as SOP template. You can customize the page as needed using the Confluence editor. There are lots of different options, including adding further titles and automated table of content. In this example, we are also adding the structure that our future SOPs need to follow. This includes defining the process scope, steps, roles, and responsibilities of the process. With the change history macro on the page, all documents using the template will have automated document version and change notes added to them. Once you are happy with the document content, you can start the approval process. Click on the 3 dots next to the document title and choose Route Document Action. This creates the activity, and you can choose the approval process. In this example, we are using out-of-the-box review and approve lifecycle. Once the activity is created, you will see the added document, and you can add the change notes to this document version. You can also add additional documents if needed. With each activity, there are predefined tasks created. In this example, there are 2 tasks, review and approval. Assign these tasks to the relevant team members based on the roles and responsibilities. As an activity owner, you will always see the status of the assigned tasks. You can also review the workflow this activity will be using. Now that we have made sure that the tasks are assigned and the relevant documents are added, we are ready to launch the document approval. The assigned tasks will appear on the dashboard of the designated user. To complete the task, click on the activity name, and you will be able to look into the document and start completing the task. There are 2 types of approval actions in Document Manager. A regular task can be approved by simple acknowledgement that the task has been completed. Tasks that will need an electronic signature require a secret token to be added from the user's authenticator. Now, the activity and all added documents are approved, but they are not yet released. Authorized users can view the finalized document, but no changes can be done to the document, and the change notes cannot be modified. This also means that you cannot modify the content on your approved Confluence page anymore. You can see the change history macro updated with the approval information. To make the approved document available to the rest of your company, you can release the document. This action moves the page automatically from the draft space into the released space. After the release action, the document is no longer available in the draft space. Navigate to the released space, and you will see the finalized template available there. The released space will always be the repository of the latest approved and released documentation for the entire company. And no one can make changes to the released document content without initiating a new official approval process for the next version. You can try the SoftComply Document Manager app in your Confluence. If you have any questions or simply wish to have a dedicated discussion with us, you are most welcome to reach out and book a live demo call. Thanks for watching, and looking forward to talking to you soon again.